Yo guys, welcome to this video. Today we are removing unwanted things in the images. As you can see, this image has Getty Images logo, which means I downloaded the images from online, from the internet. Even if I'm downloaded from the internet, you can see they don't have quality because I don't have any image that I can use so far. So what we're gonna do today, always when you get into Photoshop, you always copy your layer. So it's either you do Control J or Command J if you're on a Mac. So what we're gonna be using today, we're gonna be using the patch tool. Where is it? The patch tool, or we'll be using the spot healing brush tool, or the patch tool, or the clone tool. So we're gonna start with the spot healing brush first and see if it works. Let's reduce it. You really want to reduce the size of the thing that you really want to remove. Right click, gone. But you can tell with the sector that there was something there. Let's see what this one. Let's say I want to remove this lid. Yeah. Sorry. Control Z J. Let's do it again and see. See, it did a lot here. It shows us things that we don't really need to see it. We can tell there was something here because the image doesn't align. So let's bring that back. Control Z. This one, Control Z. The patch tool. With the patch tool, you can actually select the subject that you really want to remove, and just like that, remove it anywhere. Control Z. So I guess with this one, you also need to be specific where you want to take it. Hey, what happened? But yeah, let's select. So I'm just selecting just for demonstration, but you really need to do a proper selection when you select this. So me, it's just for you can tell there was someone there. No, I went too far. It shows that there was someone there, so we're not using that one. Even in here, we're not using that one. So I guess this one's here, they failed me. Let's go in here. This time I'm gonna zoom in. It's not about the pixels and everything, but yeah. Okay, normally what I do with that, I do with the lasso tool. I select my subject, then go out, then I check. Okay, I can clone here, so I'll go back to the clone tool. Then you press Alt, you clone there, come back here, and Control D. Can you clone the rest? Oops, I went too far. Book removed with no problem. My lady. Okay, this one, it's a human being, so I'm gonna use the magic wand, a quick selection. Let's just use the quick selection. Yeah. Then we go to this one. Let's clone from the site. Alt, remember to press Alt, and you clone. So you see here, it's bringing back what was here. So now you need to press Alt again, and then come back. And then this side, we're gonna come back this side a bit, so that everything can blend in properly. Okay, we need to bring that in. let's see what we did. Control. Then it's because I did not select properly, because you can tell that the lady here, there's a part of her, but then it's cool. Yes, that one can work for me. Basically those are the things that you do if you want to remove something in your photos. Maybe a kid got stuck in your photo, kid ran into your photo. That's what you do. So soon we'll be releasing new Luts, so you make sure that you check out for the new Luts. Always, when you know what you should do, you should subscribe. And yeah, you should subscribe to the channel. Subscribe so that whenever I release a new video, you can get notification. Click the bell button. Okay, you don't really need to click the bell button, but you can subscribe so that when you get into your YouTube, you can see my videos on your newsfeed. Because I'm releasing new Luts. Those who's been watching skin retouching, I'm releasing new Luts, free Luts, 3 of them, so you guys can get them for free if you want to. So yeah, I'm gonna release new Luts soon. Yeah, so see you guys on the next video.